Namaskar. Welcome to my channel. And today we are going to learn the present progressive or the present continuous tense. Let us have some examples. मैं आजकल संगीत सीख रही हूँ. मैं आजकल संगीत सीख रही हूँ. Now that means I'm learning music these days. क्या आप आ रहे हैं? क्या आप आ रहे हैं? Are you coming? कल तुम क्या कर रही हो? कल तुम क्या कर रही हो? What are you doing tomorrow? Now I'm asking this to a girl because I'm using कर रही हो. If I was asking the same question to a man, then I would ask कल तुम क्या कर रहे हो? राजू फिल्म देखने जा रहा है. राजू फिल्म देखने जा रहा है. Film is movie, so he is going to watch a movie. देखने जा रहा है. मुझे भूख लग रही है. मुझे भूख लग रही है. भूख is hunger. It's a noun and we use it with lagna verb. So here मुझे भूख लग रही है means I am feeling hungry. Okay. So what is the structure of the sentence? You begin with the subject, then place the object, and the stem verb is used with raha, rahe, rahi and auxiliary verb. The raha, rahe, rahi is like the gerund ing that you use in English for the continuous tense. So in Hindi also you just have to remember to put raha, rahe, rahi, which is masculine singular, masculine plural and one feminine form. Let's have some more sentences and see if you are able to do it and understand the sentences yourself. Of course, the translation, you can check your answers with the translation here. So, Manoj kya kar raha hai? Let us have some questions and answers in the present progressive tense. First one, Manoj kya kar raha hai? Manoj naach raha hai. Manoj naach raha hai. Manoj is dancing. Manoj is dancing. बावर्ची क्या कर रहा है? बावर्ची it's a Hindi Urdu word which means the cook. बावर्ची क्या कर रहा है? What is the cook doing? वह सब्जियां काट रहा है. सब्जियां vegetables. वह सब्जियां काट रहा है. He is cutting vegetables. गरिमा क्या कर रही है? There is a girl called Garima and you're just inquiring about her. What is she doing? गरिमा क्या कर रही है? वह फल खा रही है. वह फल खा रही है. She is eating fruit. तुम क्या पी रहे हो? तुम क्या पी रहे हो? मैं लस्सी पी रहा हूँ. If a boy is speaking, he would say मैं लस्सी पी रहा हूँ. If I was speaking, then I would say मैं लस्सी पी रही हूँ. I am drinking lassi. सोनाली कहाँ है? Where is सोनाली? सोनाली अपने कमरे में सो रही है. सोनाली अपने कमरे में सो रही है. सोनाली sleeping in her own room. अपने कमरे में in her own room. So नीलेश क्या कर रहा है? नीलेश क्या कर रहा है? वह पढ़ रहा है. वह पढ़ रहा है. बच्चे क्या लिख रहे हैं? बच्चे क्या लिख रहे हैं? बच्चे निबंध लिख रहे हैं. बच्चे निबंध लिख रहे हैं. निबंध means an essay. The children are writing an essay. माँ क्या कर रही है? माँ क्या कर रही है? What is mom doing? माँ काम कर रही है. 90% of the time you always find moms doing something or the other, especially working. So माँ काम कर रही है. काम करना to work. कृष्णा क्या कर रहा है? कृष्णा क्या कर रहा है? कृष्णा योग कर रहा है. Remember, yoga is in Sanskrit, but the same word in Hindi becomes yoga. So we just say yog in Hindi. कृष्णा योग कर रहा है. He is doing yoga. बच्चे कहाँ हैं? Where are the children? बच्चे कहाँ हैं? बच्चे मैदान में क्रिकेट खेल रहे हैं. That's one game you usually find Indian children playing cricket. So बच्चे मैदान में in the ground, in the playground क्रिकेट खेल रहे हैं, they are playing cricket. तबला कौन बजा रहा है? You suddenly listen to the tabla sometimes. तो तबला कौन बजा रहा है? तबला मनोज बजा रहा है. There is a boy called Manoj who is playing the tabla. सरिता क्या कर रही है? सरिता आजकल गणित पढ़ा रही है. सरिता आजकल, आजकल is nowadays or these days. आज, today, कल, yesterday or tomorrow. But when you combine these two words, you get a new word, आजकल, these days. सरिता आजकल गणित पढ़ा रही है. गणित, mathematics. फोन पर कौन है? फोन पर कौन है? फोन पर मीना फोन पर बात कर रही है. मीना फोन पर बात कर रही है. कौन गा रहा है? कौन गा रहा है? Who is singing? Gana is song and Gana is also to sing. So, शेखर गा रहा है. शेखर is singing. गीता, क्या तुम सुन रही हो? क्या तुम सुन रही हो? Are you listening? गीता, तुम क्या सुन रही हो? गीता, तुम क्या सुन रही हो? गीता, what are you listening? Now look at the difference between these two questions. क्या तुम सुन रही हो is are you listening? तुम क्या सुन रही हो? What are you listening? मैं नई फिल्म के गाने सुन रही हूँ. मैं नई फिल्म के गाने सुन रही हूँ. I am listening to the songs of the new movie. Now there are some exceptions in this tense. There are some verbs that you never use in continuous tenses in Hindi, and few of them are khadna, which is to stand. So you never say मैं खड़ रहा हूँ या मैं खड़ रही हूँ. That's absolutely wrong. So you just use them in the perfect tense. Like the perfective form of the verb is used because once you stand, the action is done. It is completed. For us, the continuous tense is the action did not get over. It is not complete. It is still going on. That is continuous tense. So you don't use khadna to stand in continuous tense because once you stand, the action is done. So वो खड़ा है या वो खड़ी है. That's always the case. Just he or she is standing would be khada या khadi in the perfective form. That we will learn later. And the same for बैठना. Like I'm sitting. I wouldn't say मैं बैठ रही हूँ. That's absolutely wrong again because how long does it take for you to try to sit? Half a second? That's it. Once you sit, action is done. It is completed. And then you remain in the position of sitting. So, मैं बैठी हूँ, वो बैठा है. I am sitting, he is sitting. But for us in Hindi, it is the perfective verb that we use. मैं बैठी हूँ, राजू बैठा है. In the same manner, pehenna is one more verb that you never use in continuous until and unless you are trying out some Indian traditional attire like dhoti for men and sari for women. It actually takes 10 minutes or 5 minutes to wrap it around yourself. In that case, वो साड़ी पहन रही है because the action is actually going on for like 5 or 10 minutes. But once you wear it, you don't use it, the continuous tense in Hindi. You just say, वो साड़ी पहने है. She is in that attire, in that sense. So, and padna. Padna is like lying down. So, again, how long does it take for you to lie down? Few seconds. So, वो सोफे पर पड़ी है, वो पलंग पर पड़ा है. But or padna can also be lying for like things. So pencil मेज पर पड़ी है, किताब मेज पर पड़ी है. Like it's lying, like already on that condition at a place. So you're just describing the book or the pencil or some objects. पढ़ा, पढ़े, पढ़ी. पढ़ रही है would never be used. पढ़ रहा है and पढ़ रही है are never ever used in Hindi. So it's always pada, pade, padi. Pehna, pehne, pehni. Baitha, baithe, baithi. Khada, khade, khadi. These are 4 exceptions. There are a few more, but they are little advanced level. We will discuss them in our next session. So that's it, guys, for today. I hope you really enjoyed reading and learning about how to use the verbs in continuous tense in Hindi. If you have any suggestions, do come back to me and click the like button. Thank you. Namaskar.